Hello, it's JeanetteJBeauty and welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to do another wash day to help repair dry and damaged hair. Last time I did it a few weeks ago, I realized that I used some pricey items, and I know that you love when I use affordable products, so today I will be using affordable products only that are $10 and under. I'm starting today's wash day on an almost 2-week-old twist out, and I just put it up in a puff because it was a lot easier for me that way, because everything that is going on, I have been doing a lot and just really being a mother amongst all my responsibilities. To get started, I'm going to divide my hair into 4 sections. They are not equal at all. As long as I divide my hair into sections, I have better control. The first step that I'm going to do is to pre-poo my hair. I will be using this African Pride pre-shampoo treatment, and I absolutely love it. It gives me amazing slip, and it adds a lot of moisture to my hair each and every single time that I use it, because I definitely needed some moisture in my hair to get these curls clumped and popping. I love using this treatment so much. It's just so easy to use and very, very effective. I apply this treatment to dry hair, and that's another thing that makes it so much easier, because a lot of my treatments I do spray water and I have to deal with all that. This I could just apply right to my hair, finger comb it in, and it just transforms this dryness into nice, healthy, moisturized, popping curls each and every single time. It is that good. I really love it, and you could see how well my curls have transformed, and they're more defined, they're softer and more resilient. So I'm going to continue doing the same process on the other 3 sections. I just love adding this pre-shampoo treatment in my wash day routines because it really helps to transform my hair, no matter if it's dry, super dry, even if I neglect my hair, because there was a couple times where I was going through it and I used this treatment and it really helped to detangle my hair. My curls clump together every single time. I would highly recommend this product, and it is actually one of my favorite beauty products, hands down. And because I have gained many more subscribers, I'm going to say it again. I do have a birthmark in the back of my scalp that turns red sometimes, depending if I'm working in that area. Everything is fine, and no, it does not hurt. After I have finished applying the pre-shampoo treatment, I'm going to prepare a treatment for my deep conditioner. I'm going to pour some extra virgin olive oil that is cold pressed and unfiltered into this applicator bottle for my convenience. And I'm also going to add a little bit of tea tree oil just to help balance my scalp. Put the top back on and give the mixture a gentle shake, and I'm going to put this right on top of my deep conditioner and watch how my curls act. After about 15 minutes of having the pre-shampoo treatment in my hair, I'm going to rinse it out with some lukewarm water. Rinsing out the pre-shampoo treatment on wash days has to be one of my favorite parts because I love feeling those juicy curls. My hair was a little on the dry side, I have to admit, because with this whole stay-at-home order and 4 children, I haven't been doing the extra steps that I want to do. I've been doing the bare minimum. And now when my curls feel so good and healthy, strong, and moisturized, I just love it. Now I'm going to shampoo my hair with the Palmer's Cocoa Butter and Biotin shampoo, and I absolutely love the way the shampoo works in my hair. It gives me a great lather, and yes, I do use a good amount of shampoo because that's just me. That's what I do. That's what I love. I shampoo my hair only one time, but I just really work the shampoo in on my scalp and down the length of my hair, and you can still see that those curls are intact. The biotin really helps to get those curls clumped and also help with elasticity, and that is definitely what I need. I need a clean scalp and also my hair to be really healthy, and I just love creamy shampoos. I find that the creamy shampoos work for me more versus the gel-like shampoos. I find that those can be a little bit drying in my hair unless it emulsifies up and has like a nice creamy lather. Those types work really good in my hair. And as I'm applying the shampoo on my scalp, I really want to make sure that I massage my scalp. I really want a clean scalp. As I've said before, a clean scalp is a healthy scalp, and I just really like the way my hair feels when it is nice and clean. I just feel that buildup and gunk and sweat, oils, all of that lifted off, and my scalp feels like it could breathe again, and it just feels amazing. And after I have applied the shampoo on my scalp and down the length of my hair in the sections, I'm just going to remove all the clips and do it in one whole section. I could make sure that I have applied the shampoo on my scalp and all of my hair in one. And I'm going to rinse the shampoo out with lukewarm water. And after I have rinsed the shampoo out completely, here is how my hair looks, and it feels so good. I'm going to put my hair back into 4 sections and prepare to apply the conditioner that's from Shea Moisture from their Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore line. I really love this one because this conditioner really gets my curls clumped together. It really helps to reinforce what I have already been doing, and what my main objective is really helping to repair dry, damaged hair. My hair is not damaged, but this time it was definitely more on the dry side because, as I've already mentioned, what we are facing with this whole stay-at-home order and 4 children, I really want to give my hair that TLC every single chance that I can get. So I really try to wash my hair once a week, but sometimes I can't go over. And also I love to comb the conditioner in. I find that this really helps for that conditioner just to soak in my hair so much better. This conditioner gives me great slip, and I definitely need that in my hair. I need those conditioners that are going to really give me that TLC, and this is definitely one. Actually, it's in my top 10 list of favorite conditioners. After I have worked the conditioner in really well with my fingers and the comb, I'm going to twist the section of hair, and I just find that this really helps the conditioner to absorb better into the hair. And by the time you go back to that quadrant, because I love applying products in sections, 4 to be exact, because it works so much better for me, your hair is going to feel so much better. By twisting the hair, I find that the products just really soak and absorb better into the hair strands. So I have been doing this for quite some time now, and I just love the way my hair feels once I unravel that twist, and I just feel that conditioner has penetrated into my hair strands, which we all want. We want our products to work for us, not against us. And after I finish applying the conditioner to all 4 sections, I'm going to go back to the very first section I applied the conditioner to and unravel that twist and rinse the conditioner out with some cool water. And you could definitely see how well my hair is intact. It's so moisturized, soft, and conditioned for sure. Now I'm going to apply my deep conditioner from Eden Body Works. This is their natural deep conditioner. One of my favorite deep conditioners because look how well this deep conditioner just penetrates right into my hair strands. I never have a problem with this conditioner. It gets my curls right every single time, and it just helps to reinforce that moisture that I need. Anytime that I feel my hair just needs a little bit of pick-me-up or it's a little bit dry, especially during the winter, I use this deep conditioner because it is protein free and it just really helps reinforce that moisture like I said. Now I'm going to apply my olive oil and tea tree oil mixture, apply it to my scalp first and then work it down the length of my hair. I just love applying oils on my whole body, not just my hair, but my hair, my face, and the rest of my body because it really helps to seal and lock that moisture in. I definitely need moisture being added to my hair. I want my hair to feel soft and supple and also have that sheen. Using oils on my whole body has really taken my beauty routine to the next level, and I definitely have been receiving the rewards for doing these extra steps. And I'll definitely say they're worth it in the long term and short term. And just look at these curls pop. Even the front section of my hair that's low porosity is really happy right now. A lot of times I have to give it that extra TLC, but with this routine, I'm doing the same exact process with the same amount of product, and my hair is so happy. I just really love when products work in sync in my hair, just like this routine. And these oils are definitely making my hair and scalp feel good. You don't have to use these oils. There are a ton of carrier oils and essential oils that definitely help with the health of your hair and scalp. After I finish applying the deep conditioner and the oils to my hair, I am going to put a plastic cap on that I got from the dollar store, so make sure that you do check out my Dollar Tree haul. I will link it in the iCards above and down below in the description box. But I give myself a nice massage with the products in my hair, then I do my extended shower and I remove the shower cap, and look how good my hair looks. I mean, all of this is definitely working in my favor. I rinse the deep conditioner and oil mixture out with cold water. It really helps to seal the hair cuticle, also lock that moisture in, and gives me a bit of sheen, which is definitely nice to have. Here's how my hair looks product free, and I absolutely love this wash day routine. My curls are nice and healthy and happy. Also my scalp, and this is exactly what I needed for this wash day. I'm gonna wrap my hair up with a cotton t-shirt and prepare for my style. I really hope that you enjoyed this wash day routine, and if you did, please give me a like. It really helps my channel out. Also make sure that you are subscribed and comment down below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.